Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Dinaig ng Binel Blazers ang San Sebastian Stags 96-94. Best player of the game si Winston Enot sa likod ng kanyang 23 points, 8 rebounds at 8 assists. Pinataob naman ng San Beda Red Lions ang Letran Knights 66-64. Best player of the game si Jomel Pono sa likod ng kanyang 22 points, 10 rebounds at 2 assists. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 1, 2024. Binel Blazers 6 wins 1 loss. Mapua Cardinals 5 wins 2 losses. Letran Knights 5 wins 3 losses. San Beda Red Lions 4 wins 3 losses. Perpetual Altas 4 wins 3 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. AEC Generals 3 wins 4 losses. LPU Pirates 3 wins 4 losses. GRU Heavy Bombers 2 wins 5 losses. Arellano Chiefs 2 wins 5 losses. San Sebastian Stags 2 wins 6 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 2, 2024 na gaganapin sa PhilOL Eco-Well Center. Magharap ang Mapua Cardinals at Arellano Chiefs alas 12 ng tanghali. Maglalaban naman ang LPU Pirates at Perpetual Altas alas 2:30 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.